When it comes to shipping, it's important to remember that it's a two-step process. Step one is to quote the customer a price when they're checking out through a website or you're putting together a quarter order in Business Hub. Step two is actually buying and printing the label. And when it comes to doing this, Shipstation is going to be one of your best friends. So if you have a Shipstation account, you can seamlessly push your orders out of DecoNetwork into Shipstation where you can buy and print the label. And then immediately upon doing so, have the tracking come back into DecoNetwork saved in the history notes of the order and automatically emailed to your customer. So what you want to do is come into your Shipstation account, click on the gear, come over to Selling Channels, and connect to Store. Now we're going to connect to Store using the Custom Store method. And the first thing we need to do is put in our DecoNetwork URL. Now it's important that you actually use the URL that DecoNetwork provides. So within the admin settings, shipping, we can come into Shipstation Order Sync and grab the URL that is unique to our DecoNetwork account. After you put in your username and password, you need to put SS underscore in front of the awaiting payment status, awaiting shipment status, ship status, cancel status, and on hold status. This allows DecoNetwork and Shipstation to communicate back and forth with one another. Once you've put in the URL, your account username, password, and SS underscore wherever it should be, it's important that you then test the connection to confirm everything is working. Once you've done this, click Connect, and your orders will start flowing into Shipstation from your DecoNetwork account. It's really that easy. Shipstation makes it extremely easy to bring your orders in from your DecoNetwork account and ship them to your customers and relay all the tracking information to both the customer and Business Hub.